Welcome back. Now, it was day 13 of the second leg of the budget session of Parliament yesterday. Just guess how much work was done, just 6 minutes in both houses. And that's been the case most of the days in this budget session, and hardly any work has gotten done.
Please. Are we in Parliament or somewhere else? Question number. Honorable LLP, black money तो लाई नहीं, लेकिन white money भी नहीं दिया यहाँ। All the members to go back to their places. करने के लिए हम तैयार हैं।
House stands adjourned.
आप तो शांति रखो।
Please.
जब आपके विदेश मंत्री के पास पूरी जानकारी है, इतने भी संवेदनहीन मत बनो, इस तरीके की राजनीति मत करो।
ये क्या है? ये नाराबाजी is not the way. Disagree seen by the people.
All right, so just 6 minutes of work done in Parliament yesterday, and in fact every day very little work being done, and the Indians are watching, students are watching. Let's go across to Sagnik in Kolkata and tell us what the students around you think about the way our parliamentarians are behaving.
The students are well aware what's happening in the Parliament, that no work is being done in Parliament. So let's get across to some students. What do you think? How can it affect democracy?
I think as the largest democracy of the world, India's parliament is the base of its democracy. So the common people must be feeling insecure that the parliament which enforces law, which modifies law, is no longer going to work. The leaders of their country, we choose them, we expect to be better than us, but they are not working. So we will also lose the inspiration to work and to serve our country.
Okay, so the common people, they select these MPs to Parliament. But what do you think? Are they working properly?
Yes, they have worked for us, definitely. But nowadays, recently, we are seeing so much corruption is amongst them, and they are not up to the aim to which.
Okay, so the MPs, they have not worked properly for the 13 days, and today is the 14th day. So, what do you have to tell to the MPs?
We select the MPs because we thought that they have some potential to lead us, and we need some ideal or leaders to make India as a superpower. So the MPs are not working properly. This will affect the common mass as well as every Indians in a definite manner.
So do you think they should focus more on common people's problems?
Not only common people, I think every section of the society has a role to play, but they at least should concentrate on the problems and aspirations of the mass rather than just contradicting their ideals, because we are the people who give them the power. We can also take it away. So definitely they should concentrate on our aspirations and prioritize it before their ideals.
Okay, so for the 14 days Parliament did not work. So what do you think? How can this change?
They must take some steps which is very, very essential for our country. For the total benefit of the country is because of them, the people who are the members of the parliaments, and so we expect some actions from them, immediate actions that can benefit our country.
Okay, if you have to say something to the MPs, what do you have to say?
We want to say that please go to work and let us make you our role model. Please work, serve our country and set an example and leave a legacy that will be remembered by all posterity. There is a lack of role models now. Please let us make you our role models.
Navanalanda School in Kolkata is far away from Parliament, but they are well aware what's happening in the Parliament, and they are also concerned what tomorrow holds for them.
All right, Sagnik, thanks so much for that. And yes, those are young children talking about how they need more role models and how they're looking at Parliament and not finding them. Thanks so much for bringing us those voices.